welcome back. This is my video of showing you this alarm clock. It's got a lot of colors and lots of noises and everything that you like. I have to set the time. I love that one. Anyway, you get the idea. I'm gonna do green. This is the white noise. Keep it short, but anyway, you get the idea. And you can set a timer based on the number of minutes. There you go. Goes up to 40 minutes to 10 minutes. That's color 4, okay. Okay, good. My favorite ones are all of them. Or isn't it? My favorite one is the birds. Actually, that one's my favorite too as well. I like the sprinkler one too. Oh, is that a campfire? Rain on tent. Wind chimes. Oh, the clock ticking. I used to love clocks as a kid. And go back to the beginning. Hope you like my video. See you in the next one.